WinPlus-IP has a feature which enables an output of the prompter image as an NDI stream or a feed to a locally connected monitor via HDMI, VGA or DisplayPort, for example. To enable these devices, you need to have the local prompter license. A combined mix of 3 local or NDI outputs can be enabled. The devices must be manually added. To add an NDI stream, in the Devices pane, click Add, then Manually Add Device, and select NDI Prompter. You can then give this stream a friendly name. You can also select the resolution of the stream up to 4K and the frame rate per second. Finally, select the preview mode and click Apply and Close. The controlled by and IP address fields will not be visible for NDI or local prompters. Within NDI, you will now be able to detect the source and the stream from WinPlus-IP. When the script is loaded, it will be visible in NDI. There are 2 preview display states available: preview mode enabled or disabled. This option can be set when the device is installed or at any time following, by selecting Configuration and choosing Enabled or Disabled in the General tab. When enabled and prompting is switched off, a preview of the text will be shown. When disabled and prompting is switched off, a preview of the text will not be shown. To add a locally connected display, in Manually Add Devices, select Local Prompter. WinPlus will automatically detect any connected displays and list them in the screen pull-down. It will not list the screen that WinPlus-IP is running on. The window will show the display number. In this example, only 1 additional monitor is connected, and the resolution the monitor is set to at the time of detection. Select the screen you want to add. A default name is already entered. Type the name you would like to use. For example, Gallery Monitor. Just as in the NDI configuration, you can select to enable or disable the preview mode. Click Apply and the display will be added. Now when prompting is enabled, the output will be shown on the additional local monitors. To exit Local Prompter Display, on the screen, right-click and select Disable.